Once again, children. So, children, we have now music class. Okay. So, we have our own music sir, Mr. Matru Prasad Das sir. All of you know him. He will teach you today a beautiful song. Okay. So, all of you give a big clap and welcome to Matru Prasad sir. Sir, please.
Good morning. So I know today is the weather condition is not good. We are feeling cold, but definitely we are joining the class. So I'm happy that so many children are joining the hobby classes. I welcome you all to the third day of the summer hobby classes 2021. So today we will learn a nice song. Okay, children. So we all know that the pandemic situation, it is continuing. So definitely we have to pray to the Almighty. Only God can save us. And if we will believe in God and we will obey all the protocols, whatever it has been given by the government, definitely we will win. So according to that nice thought, one another song today we'll learn. It is a song like we are requesting to the Almighty, oh Lord, please bless us. Definitely, always we will do the good thing, we will tell the truth, and we will help each other, and always we will just do the good one, always will tell truth. So in that thought, today's song we have to learn. So the song is from the movie Pana. So the lyricist, those who has written the song. So the lyricist is Vishweswar Sharma. Vishweswar Sharma has written the song, and the famous music director Nadeem Shravanji, they have given the tune. They have composed the tune. So children, a little bit information regarding the song. So now we will I'm sharing the screen. You will able to see the lyrics. So don't waste the time for the writing of the lyrics, because at the end of our session, we are sending all the details in your class group. Definitely we'll share the lyrics and the video clips. Is it clear, children? So please listen to me, the pronunciation. Look at the screen. You will able to see the lyrics. Okay. So I'm sharing the screen. You will able to see my screen. Is it visible now?
Yes, 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 it is visible.
Children, they are written the lyrics. Is it visible?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Okay. So now, children, we will go for the lyrics. So definitely before singing the tune, we have to pronounce it properly. And that should be first we will do the practice of the pronunciation. Then we have to do the practice of the pronunciation with the rhythm. Is it clear, children? So they are written. So before starting the song, some humming and some archive we are doing. Whenever I will sing, that one I will tell. And the lyrics starts like this: तेरी पनाह में हमें रखना, तेरी पनाह में हमें रखना, सीखे हम नेक राह पर चलना. Is it clear, children? Manas sir, I am
Yes,
not
sir.
able to see the chat of the
Yes,
children.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, it is clear, sir.
Okay. So, Manas sir, you just share the screen. I want to see children.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, you please just stop sharing.
Okay. Because I am disturbing if I am sharing. Okay.
Now it is visible.
Yes.
Sir, it is visible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear.
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay. So children, we were discussing the pronunciation of the first stanza. तेरी पनाह में हमें रखना, सीखें हम नेक राह पर चलना. So children, it is the first stanza or the sthai or ghosa or mukhda. Yesterday also I was telling to the small children, today also I am telling you, the mukhda means the first stanza of the song. Why it is called ghosa? Because repeatedly we are singing that stanza. बारंबार आमे गाउथिबारु ताकु घोषा मध्य कहा जाए. Is it clear, children? So they are written 0 because it is the first stanza, it is the starting stanza, like the face of the song. That's why it is also called mukhda. And sthai also. And the second stanza is known as antara because it is not from the beginning of the song. It is in the inner part of the song. So gitara madhya bhagare thibaru ba antarare thibaru tar na antara. So whatever song children today will learn, there are 3 stanzas. First stanza sthai, second stanza first antara, then third stanza second antara. I think it is clear, children. And the rhythm also, it has been composed in a 4 beats rhythm. So whenever we used to sing, definitely we used to clap with the song. If possible, I will tell you something. If possible on your part, you will try to follow that one. Is it clear, children? Okay. So now one more time I am telling you the pronunciation of the first stanza, then we'll go for the tune, means the धुन. Okay. तेरी पनाह में हमें रखना, सीखें हम नेक राह पर चलना. So both of the lines we are singing 2 times. It is the order. So before that I had told you that we are doing some humming and akar from the beginning of the song. Okay. Some children are writing a little bit louder. Okay, loudly I am telling. So children, I was telling that I had told you before that we have to do some humming and akar from the beginning. So listen to me. So whatever song we are learning this song in D sharp scale. According to the Western music system, the scale is known as D sharp. Okay. According to the composition, it is in minor chord. Is it clear? D sharp minor is the scale of the song, whatever we are learning now. And the rhythm is a 4 beats rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this 4 beats rhythm. After singing, I will tell you the tempo and the clapping style. Okay. So now just listen to me the humming and the akar from the beginning. So one more time, children, listen to me. So before starting the first stanza, we are doing this type of some little bit thing which will look good in the song. Okay. तेरी पनाह में हमें रखना, सीखे हम नेक राह पर चलना. Sir, some children are writing it a little bit louder. Sir, is it not audible to you?
No, sir, it is audible, but very slowly. I think your net.
Slow.
So please keep your mic closer.
Just wait. Now just see, is it audible to you?
Yes, yes, yes. It is clearly audible.
Okay. I am just switching off my video because due to the network, I think. Okay. Now is it audible, children?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. तेरी पनाह में हमें रखना, सीखे हम नेक राह पर चलना. तेरी पनाह में हमें रखना, सीखे हम नेक राह पर चलना. So children, it is the two lines, two times we are singing. It is the tune of Ghosa or the Sthai or the Mukhda. One more time I am singing repeatedly. If I will sing before you, you will be able to understand. तेरी पनाह में हमें रखना, सीखे हम नेक राह पर चलना. तेरी पनाह में हमें रखना, सीखे हम नेक राह पर चलना. So children, it is the two lines. Manoj sir, just sing one time for children. We will listen
Yes,
to
sir.
you how you are singing, and children will also listen.
तेरी पनाह में हमें रखना, हम नेक राह पर चलना. तेरी पनाह में हमें रखना, सीखे हम नेक राह पर चलना.
Okay, thank you, Manoj sir. Very nice. Children, repeatedly you are listening to us. The first stanza, it is completed. The second stanza, we will go for the second stanza. So they are written, कपट कर्म चोरी बेईमानी और हिंसा से हमको बचाना. Both of the lines we are singing two times. Is it clear? कपट कर्म चोरी बेईमानी और हिंसा से हमको बचाना. Two times both the lines. Then नाली का बन जाऊं ना पानी. नाली का बन जाओ न पानी, निर्मल गंगा जल ही बनाना. So नाली का बन जाऊं ना पानी, 2 times we are singing. Then निर्मल गंगा जल ही बनाना, 1 time we are singing. After that, one another that thing we are doing, like ho we are using during the song. So you can listen to me one more time the pronunciation. कपट कर्म चोरी बेईमानी और हिंसा से हमको बचाना. कपट कर्म चोरी बेईमानी और हिंसा से हमको बचाना. नाली का बन जाऊं न पानी, नाली का बन जाऊं न पानी. They are written children ban jao. Actually that one ban jaun. Manoj sir, you can just correct that one. Nali ka ban jaun na pani. So children, nali ka ban jaun na pani, nirmal ganga jal hi banana. Then ho. One thing we are using, one that to make it little bit beautiful in our singing, we used to do ho, hey, like this, the words. Okay. So after that, apni निगाह में हमें रखना, तेरी पनाह में हमें रखना, तेरी पनाह में हमें रखना, सीखे हम नेक राह पर चलना. Always please bless us, O Almighty, and definitely always we do all the good thing, we just move in a right path. That thing we are just requesting to the Almighty, the Supreme Power, please bless us like this. Okay. So children, now we will go for the second stanza tune. So children, why I have taken this song? Because the lyrics is very nice. It is written in such a nice way, and the tune is also very touchy, very catchy, that it will touch to your heart whenever you listen the song. Is it clear, children? One good thought we are getting from the song. Okay. So now listen to me, the Antara tune. कपट कर्म चोरी बेईमानी और हिंसा से हमको बचाना. कपट कर्म चोरी बेईमानी और हिंसा से हमको बचाना. नाली का बन जाऊं न पानी, नाली का बन जाऊं न पानी, निर्मल गंगा जल ही बनाना. अपनी निगाह में हमें रखना, तेरी पनाह में हमें रखना, तेरी पनाह में हमें रखना. सीखे हमने राह पर चलना. So children, it is the tune of second stanza or the first antara. One more time, please listen to me. कपट कर्म चोरी बेईमानी और हिंसा से हमको बचाना. कपट कर्म चोरी बेईमानी और हिंसा से हमको बचाना. So children, both of the lines we are singing 2 times. The second times we are doing little bit variation. In the line of chori in that place, in the word chori and beimani, in that words we are doing little bit variation. In first time we are doing kapat karm chori beimani aur hinsa se हमको बचाना. It is the first time. Then second time कपट कर्म चोरी बेईमानी. Did you get, children, the variation whatever I did? So one more time I am singing. कपट कर्म चोरी बेईमानी और हिंसा से हमको बचाना. कपट कर्म चोरी बेईमानी और हिंसा से हमको बचाना. नालिका बन जाऊं ना पानी, नालिका बन जाऊं ना पानी, निर्मल गंगा जल ही बनाना. अपनी निगाह में हमें रखना, तेरी पनाह में हमें रखना, तेरी पनाह में हमें रखना. सीखे हमने राह पर चलना. So Manoj sir, can you just tell the pronunciation of the second stanza? Children will listen also one time.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, children, all of you listen. कपट कर्म चोरी बेईमानी और हिंसा से हमको बचाना. It is 2 times again. कपट कर्म चोरी बेईमानी और हिंसा से हमको बचाना. नालिका बन जाऊं ना पानी, नालिका बन जाऊं ना पानी, निर्मल गंगा जल ही बनाना. ओके चिल्ड्रेन, तमे सब जेमिति गाइबो सेमिति ताको प्रोनाउंसिएशन करिया दरकार. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट. अपनी निगाह में हमें रखना, तेरी पनाह में हमें रखना, तेरी पनाह में हमें रखना. सीखे हमने एक राह पर चलना. Okay children, like this you have to recite it.
Very
Okay,
nice,
sir,
Manoj
please.
sir. Very nice. Very clear it is. So children, it is also understood by all that how we will pronounce the lyrics. Definitely, if we'll do the practice within the rhythm, it will help us a lot whenever we will learn the tune. Did you understand, children? So now I am showing the clapping style of the song. The tempo of the song is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. On first beat we have to clap, then another 3 beat we have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. तेरी पनाह में हमें रखना, सीखे हमने एक राह पर चलना. तेरी. Children, you can get that I am starting the song 1, 2, 3. On the 4th beat I am starting. Is it clear? From the 4th beat I am starting. Teri. So in the letter re, som is coming. Som means the first beat of the rhythm. the first beat of the rhythm is called song if there will be clapping. Did you understand, children? So the song starts from fourth beat and it is continuing like this. So whenever I am starting that Teri Pana, whenever I am repeating that second time, also I am waiting for the fourth beat. I am waiting till the fourth beat. Is it clear, children? One more time I am showing 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Sir,
1, 2. Yes.
Sir, please tell them to, they will clap with you.
Okay, children, you can clap with me. You are in the muted mode. Also, you can do practice. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. तेरी पनाह में हमें रखना, सीखे हमने एक राह पर चलना. 1, 2, 3. तेरी पनाह में हमें रखना, सीखे हमने एक राह पर चलना. So children, you can find one thing, the rhythm, it is not following to the song. We are following to the rhythm. It is continuing. I am talking with you, but it is continuing. So the rhythm, it will continue within the song. The clapping style, it will continue within the song. कपट कर्म चोरी बेईमानी और हिंसा से हमको बचाना. कपट कर्म चोरी बेईमानी और हिंसा से हमको बचाना. नालिका बन जाऊं ना पानी, नालिका बन जाऊं न पानी, निर्मल गंगा जल ही बनाना. Oh, 1, 2, 3. अपनी. You can get, children, one thing. Whenever I am starting apni, I am starting from the fourth beat. That's why I just wait for the fourth beat, because I didn't start from the first or second or third beat. It is the rhythm. That's why it is called the controller or the parameter. So Manoj sir, just one more time I am singing for children the first antara, then we'll go for the second antara. Okay? कपट कर्म चोरी बेईमानी और हिंसा से हमको बचाना. कपट कर्म चोरी बेईमानी और हिंसा से हमको बचाना. नालिका बन जाऊं ना पानी, नालिका बन जाऊं ना पानी, निर्मल गंगा जल ही बनाना. अपनी निगाह में हमें रखना, तेरी पनाह में हमें रखना, तेरी पनाह में हमें रखना, सीखे हम नेक राह पर चलना. So children, it is the tune of the second stanza or the first antara. So it is clear, children, I think.
Yes, sir, it is clear.
Okay, nice. Manoj sir, can you sing once for us? Children will listen. The second
Okay, sir.
stanza of the first antara.
कपट कर्म चोरी बेईमानी और हिंसा से हमको बचाना. कपट कर्म चोरी बेईमानी और हिंसा से हमको बचाना, नालिका बन जाओ न पानी, नालिका बन जाओ न पानी, निर्मल गंगा जल ही बनाना। अपनी निगाह में हमें रखना, सीखे तेरी पनाह में हमें रखना, तेरी पनाह में हमें रखना, सीखे हम नेक राह पर चलना।
Very nice, sir. Very nice. Children also, children writing, we will go for the third stanza. Yes, children, definitely, we will go for the last stanza. It is the third stanza at the second antara. The tune is little bit same, in different in the gaiki style, in the singing style, little bit different. You will face, but it is the tune is almost same as first, second stanza, not first stanza, as second stanza. So they are written. Just we'll go for the lyrics, the pronunciation. Okay. क्षमा बान कोई तुझसा नहीं और मुझसा नहीं कोई अपराधी. One more time I am telling. क्षमा बान कोई तुझसा नहीं और मुझसा नहीं कोई अपराधी. So both of the lines we are singing 2 times. One more time, children. You can repeat with me. Be in the muted mode. You can repeat with me. क्षमा बान कोई तुझसा नहीं और मुझसा नहीं कोई अपराधी. So according to the rhythm, we have to tell like this. Then पुण्य की नगरी में भी मैंने, पुण्य की नगरी में भी मैंने पापों की गठरी ही बांधी. That is, they are written पापो, make it पापों, पापों की गठरी ही बांधी. Anas sir, can you just correct that one? पापों.
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. So one more time, I am telling the second antara. Both first 2 lines we are singing 2 times. Both the lines we are singing 2 times. Then the third line we are singing also 2 times. Then the fourth line we are singing 1 time. It is the order. They are also written clearly which line, how many times we will sing. Okay, listen to me one more time. क्षमा बान कोई तुझसा नहीं और मुझसा नहीं कोई अपराधी. क्षमा बान कोई तुझसा नहीं और मुझसा नहीं कोई अपराधी. पुण्य की नगरी में भी मैंने, पुण्य की नगरी में भी मैंने पापों की गठरी ही बांधी. देन करुणा की छांव में हमें रखना, तेरी पनाह में हमें रखना. So children, if you will do the practice according to the rhythm, definitely it will be easy for all of us whenever we will learn the tune. Okay. Punya ki, it is punya. Punya ki nagari. Manas sir, just make it punya. They are written puni. Punya. Okay. It is punya ki nagari मैं भी मैंने, पुण्य की नगरी में भी मैंने पापों की गठरी ही बांधी. So children, the meaning I am not telling, I am not just by telling the meanings, I will not waste your time because it is clearly written, so easy words you can able to understand the meaning. That's why I am not telling the meaning of the song. So we are focusing the lyrics and the tune because little bit difficult is there in Gaiki style. You can feel whenever Manas sir was singing, and I was also singing, little bit harkat, little bit murki. Some we are doing the in between the song. So now, क्षमावान कोई तुझसा नहीं और मुझसा नहीं कोई अपराधी. So both of the lines tune we will listen. So there we were singing kapat karma, like this we are singing, but here shamaban, shamaban. So you can get the differences in the singing. So there we are singing kapat karma, but here shamaban koi tujhsa nahi aur mujhsa nahi कोई अपराधी. क्षमावान कोई तुझसा नहीं और मुझसा नहीं कोई अपराधी. पुण्य की नगरी में भी मैंने, पुण्य की नगरी में भी मैंने पापों की गठरी बांधी. हाँ हो. Did you understand, children? So the feel is there in the song. So much feelings it is required. क्षमा बान कोई तुझसा नहीं. No one can excuses like you. मुझसा नहीं कोई अपराधी. मैं एक अपराधी ही हूं. I am not a good person. Did you understand, children? Then written Punya ki nagari. We know whenever we have taken birth, we have done the promises with the Almighty. We will do the good things. We will tell truth. We will help to each other. Always we will just go for a right path. But we are not following that one. में भी मैंने पापों की गठरी ही बांधी. पुण्यर नगरी रे बा सहर रे पापर गोटे गंठिली मु बांधिछि. Because I am not doing good. I am not always telling truth. So nicely, children, it has been written. The feelings is so nice. So good thought. So that's why you have to understand the song, understand the lyrics, then only sing. Definitely feelings will come within you. Okay, children, we will go for the tune. क्षमावान कोई तुझसा नहीं और मुझसा नहीं कोई अपराधी. क्षमावान कोई तुझसा नहीं और मुझसा नहीं कोई अपराधी. पुण्य की नगरी में भी मैंने, पुण्य की नगरी में भी मैंने पापों की गठरी बांधी. Oh, so little bit variation also, children, you can do if possible. If you are capable in that field, you can do some variation also. I am doing. Okay, children. So one more time. क्षमावान कोई तुझसा नहीं और मुझसा नहीं कोई अपराधी. क्षमावान कोई तुझसा नहीं और मुझसा नहीं कोई अपराधी. पुण्य की नगरी में भी मैंने, पुण्य की नगरी में भी मैंने पापों की गठरी बांधी। आहो करुणा की छाँव में हमें रखना, तेरी पनाह में हमें रखना, तेरी पनाह में हमें रखना, सीखे हमने राह पर चलना. So children, it is the second antara tune. So now we will just one time listen from Manas sir. Then if any child can sing, we will go for it. Manas sir, just one time complete the second antara.
Yes sir. क्षमावान कोई तुझसा नहीं और मुझसा नहीं कोई अपराधी।
Manas sir, little bit quickly.
तुझसा नहीं और मुझसा नहीं कोई अपराधी। पुण्य की नगरी में भी मैंने, पुण्य की नगरी में भी मैंने पापों की गठरी बांधी। करुणा की छाँव में हमें रखना, तेरी पनाह में हमें रखना, तेरी पनाह में हमें रखना, सीखे हमने एक राह पर चलना। ओके सर।
Very nice, sir. If any one child can sing the first stanza, we will be happy that from 8-9 a.m. we are learning. If anyone can sing the first stanza at least, then I will sing before them the full song. Then we will wind up the session.
Yes. Ayushman, are you there? Ansuman, I think. Ansuman, are you there? Can you sing? Sir, Ansuman is there?
Sir.
Ansuman is there or not, sir?
Sumansra.
Yes, sir. Now, Ansuman Mishra. Another girl is one Srestha Ghosh. Srestha Ghosh, please, sir, unmute to Srestha Ghosh.
Sir, name is?
Srestha Ghosh.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Okay, Srestha. Good morning,
Good
Srestha.
morning,
Please sing.
Srestha. Can you just start?
Okay.
तेरी पनाह में. Okay, sing.
Okay. Sir, on the first stanza.
Yes, yes.
Yes, first stanza.
बाकी थोड़ा जल्दी.
Just listen to the scale. In that scale, just try to sing. Okay, Srestha? Start.
तेरी पनाह में हमें रखना, सीखे हमने राह पर चलना, तेरी पनाह में हमें रखना, सीखे हमने राह पर चलना।
Very nice, Shrestha.
Sir, next is Isita Behra.
Very nice, very nice.
Isita. Okay, just one other child was writing Vansika
Okay.
Mahapatra. If you can listen.
Yes, yes, Vansika.
Yes, sir.
Vansika,
Ah.
please.
Just try to
Hmm.
say
Is Isita. She is
Oh.
Isita.
Isita.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Sing, my dear.
Can I start, sir?
Yes.
तेरी पनाह में हमें रखना, के हम नेक राह पर चलना। तेरी पनाह में हमें रखना, हम नेक राह पर चलना।
Very nice, very nice.
Children, you are singing in
Thank you,
tune.
sir.
I'm very much happy that you all are singing in tune. It is the very good thing. Thank you. Sir, we can listen to Vansika.
Vansika Mahapatra, please.
Yes, sir.
Just try to
Good
sing.
morning. Start quickly.
Yes, sir. तेरी पनाह में हमें रखना, कि हम नेक राह पर चलना। तेरी
क्या बात है?
पनाह में हमें रखना, सीखे हम नेक राह पर चलना।
Just wow, Vansika. You are having the sweet and soft voice. You are singing in tune. Also, you are following the rhythm. It is very good thing. It is the blessings of the Almighty, the blessings of the Goddess Saraswati, that you are singing within the rhythm. Very nice. I'm very happy. Thank you, children.
Good, good.
So now, children, just listen to me. The full song I am singing before you. The full song I am singing. Just, children, after the session, me or Manoj sir will share with you the lyrics as well as the video clips. So definitely it will help a lot to learn the tune properly. Repeatedly you listen the video clip, you will try to learn one line, then only you can sing. Okay, children. So now listen to me all. तेरी पनाह में हमें रखना, सीखे हम नेक राह पर चलना। तेरी पनाह में हमें रखना, सीखे हम नेक राह पर चलना। कपट कर्म चोरी बेईमानी और हिंसा से हमको बचाना। कपट कर्म चोरी बेईमानी और हिंसा से हमको बचाना। नालिका बन जाऊं ना पानी, नालिका बन जाऊं ना पानी, निर्मल गंगा जल ही बनाना। अपनी निगाह में हमें रखना, तेरी पनाह में हमें रखना, तेरी पनाह में हमें रखना, सीखें हम नेक राह पर चलना, क्षमावान कोई तुझसा नहीं और मुझसा नहीं कोई अपराधी, क्षमावान कोई तुझसा नहीं और मुझसा नहीं कोई अपराधी, पुण्य की नगरी में भी मैंने, पुण्य की नगरी में भी मैंने पापों की गठरी बांधी, ओ करुणा की छाँव में हमें रखना, तेरी पनाह में हमें रखना, तेरी पनाह में हमें रखना, सीखें हम नेक राह पर चलना. So children, thank you a lot. Thanks a lot that so many you have joined, and also you are listening, you are learning, and you are trying to learn the tune and the lyrics. So I think children, you enjoyed the song. Definitely you will learn the song. We will share with you the audio, video clips and the lyrics. So thank you children. Take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Wish you a have nice day, children.
Okay, okay. Thank you, Manas. Thank you, Matru sir, and thank you to all of you. Give a big clap for Matru sir. Okay. Thank you so much, children. Bye bye.